We know that taking a blood sample can seem scary, but try not to worry, you'll soon be done. And remember, you can always ask a friend or a family member to help. If you feel faint at any point, stop, lie down and raise your legs. Get medical advice if the feeling persists. Now that you have received your kit, let's see what's in the box. Okay, let's get started. Clearly fill out your collection tube label, but don't stick it to the tube just yet. Remove the cap from your collection tube and place it somewhere safe. Now, set the tube in the collection case so it stands upright, ready for when you prick your finger. Soak your chosen hand in warm water and do some light exercise to encourage blood flow. Most people find it easiest to take their sample from their middle or ring finger of their non-dominant hand. Clean your finger and make sure to dry it properly. Take the lancet, twist and remove the blue stick. Don't worry, you won't see a needle. Place your hand on a hard surface. Position the lancet against the tip of your finger and press firmly until you hear a click. Hold your arm in a downward position, letting gravity do its job, and gently massage your hand and finger to encourage blood flow into the tube. Don't massage too close to where you pricked your finger, as you don't want to damage the blood cells. If you've received a yellow and purple tube to fill, do the yellow first and fill the sample to the indicated line. Then do the same with the purple. We need the sample to be filled to the line so we can do a proper analysis. If your collection takes more than 2 minutes, stop. Rewarm your hand and do some more light exercise. Then try again with a different finger, using a new lancet. When you're done, clean your finger and apply a plaster. Place the cap firmly on the blood collection tube until you hear a click. Once sealed, turn your tube upside down a few times, being careful not to shake it. Blood cells are delicate. Stick your label onto the sample. This is very important or we won't know whose blood we're analysing. Place your sample back into the box along with your completed request form. Post the sample using the prepaid envelope, taking note of the tracking number. Send it off on the same day, and if possible, do your sample between Monday and Friday so that it doesn't get stuck in the post. Now sit back and relax. We'll let you know as soon as your results are ready. UK Health Screening, guiding you to better health.